Okay, how to install Metasploitable to Linux in VirtualBox, right? Go to new in VirtualBox. You can see bunch of things here. In first box, there is a name. Give the name for your VM machine, whatever you like. Since we are not dealing with ISO here, right? Go to type, select Linux and version. Go with Ubuntu 64-bit. Search down there. 64-bit, then click next and assign the base memory, that is RAM. I'm going to assign 1 GB in my case, right? That is enough for Metasploitable to Linux. Now important part is here, use an existing virtual hard disk file, right? That select that, click on browse icon there, then click on add and go to Metasploitable to folder and you will get this file .vmdk file, right? Click that and open, then click choose, right? Do next, and this is the final step. Click finish. Now you can click start there and your Metasploitable to Linux will start in Oracle VM VirtualBox, and wait till you get the login screen by using username and password for Metasploitable to Linux. Let's check any error arises or not. It's pretty much simple. In any confusion, comment below, I will reply. Let's wait for a few seconds here. Now you can see here Metasploitable login, login with MSF admin and password also MSF admin. We are logged in. Let's do ls and check there is the directory vulnerable. Okay, thank you very much guys, thank you very much.